rectangular components of a vector. First case is for 2 dimension. Case number 1A, rectangular components for 2D. Suppose an aeroplane moves along this line. It has covered some horizontal distance also, and it has gained some height also. So, if this is represented as vector A and it makes angle theta, this component is known as horizontal component or x component. This is y component. Ax by A is equal to what? Ax by A, base by hypotenuse, cos theta. Ay by A, Ay by A is sin theta. So, Ax is equal to what? A cos theta, and Ay is equal to what? A sin theta. These are termed as the rectangular components of vector. So, vector can be represented like A is equal to Axi plus Ayj. I cap means what? Movement along x axis. J cap means what? Movement along y axis. As an example, if this is given as 2 root 2, aeroplane flies at speed 2 root 2 at an angle theta is equal to 45 degree. Find Ax and Ay. Yes, how you find Ax? Ax is equal to A cos 45 theta. A is how much? 2 root 2 into cos 45. So, what you get is 2. Ay is equal to A sin 45 is equal to 2 root 2. Sin 45 is what? It is also 2. Vector A can be written as Axi plus Ayj. Ax is how much? 2. Ay is 2. So, vector A is what? 2i plus 2j. 2 is its x component and 2 is its y component, and the resultant is 2 root 2. Time with you is 4 minutes. For 3D, complete है? For 3D, 3 dimension, if you write a vector A as Axi plus Ayj plus Azk, most of the time you deal with the 2 dimensions, not this one, but you have questions. If it is so, magnitude of A is equal to what? Yes, previous question, this magnitude A was equal to what? Ax square plus Ay square under root. Here magnitude of A is Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. That is I component square plus j component square plus k component square. This is 1. For mathematical purpose, not required in physics, direction cosines are defined as cos alpha. For example, here cos theta was equal to what? Ax by a. Here also it is ax by a. Cos beta ay by a. Cos gamma az by a. These are termed as direction cosines, not required in our case, required in mathematics, but just for the sake of definition. 3 minutes to complete. Numerical number 10. Try numerical number 10. Numerical is a river 800 meter wide flows at the rate of 6 km per hour. A swimmer who can swim at 10 km per hour in still water wishes to cross the river straight. That is along what direction? Question is along what direction must he strike? What should be his resultant velocity? How much time he would take? Draw a diagram. For numerical number 10, draw a diagram. A river is, what is the width of the river? 800 meters, 0.8 kilometers. 0.8 kilometer. Why I am writing it in kilometer? Because the rest of the data given is in kilometer per hour or kilometers. The river flows at what rate? River speed. Yes, 6 km per hour. So there is a boat. You want to cross it in, yes, shortest path. That means you will have to move at certain angle with the vertical. Let this angle be theta. Boat or a person makes no difference. The person can swim at what speed? 10. So the person tries to move along this man velocity 10 km per hour, and the boat will take to the right by what? 6 km per hour. What is the resultant? Yes, first part. Along what direction? I will say, I will solve 10 square is equal to 6 square plus V resultant square. V result square is equal to 100 minus 36, 64, and root comes out to what? 8. So the result is 8 km per hour. This is B part. Am I right? Second is time. Your choice. What is the velocity along this line? 8 km per hour. This displacement is how much? Displacement along y divided by velocity along y. Displacement along y is 0.8 km. Velocity along y is how much? 8 km per hour. So what you get is 0.1 hour. Means how many minutes? Yes, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So it is 6 minutes. Third, at what angle? First we will find theta. Yes, tangent theta is equal to what? Perpendicular 6 by base. 6 by 8 is equal to 0.75. Yes, 3 by 4, 0.75. So from the table, you will have to find out when tangent theta is equal to 0.75, theta is equal to what? Table is given in volume 2 end. So at present you have volume 1. Tangent theta is equal to 0.75. I will just have an idea from the answer. That's 53, 37. Am I right? This theta will come out to be 37 degree. Less than 45. Tangent 45 is equal to 1. Tangent 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. This theta is 37. What is the angle with the upstream? Yes. This angle is what? 90 minus theta. 90 minus 37 is equal to 53. Angle with the upstream. 1 minute to complete.